All right, good morning. We are going to replace this window crank here. It's about time. It has pretty well rotted off. So we'll try to get this off and replace it with one that we got from J-Bugs, and try not to disturb the yak hair too much. Should be pretty straightforward, I'm hoping. Just a regular Phillips on this original one. Okay, we're left with the original spline there. Let me go get the new handles. Okay. So here's what we've got. Got these chrome Wolfsburg Edition. I'll put the link in the description for J-Bugs. Looks fairly straightforward. Yeah, that should pop right on the original spline, and then this is a I'll have to use an Allen wrench to get this one instead of Phillips, but no big deal. Let's see, which size is it? Oh, first time. Looks like a 4mm. Heck yeah. Might need a little grease, but it's on there. You may have seen that I had a little difficulty on this one, taking this off. After the screw comes out, you do kind of have to jiggle it a little bit. It's got decades worth of being caked on there, so a little bit of jiggling, it popped right off. The passenger side one came off with no problem, so pretty easy. It's nice, I like it. Didn't break the yak hair either.